How to fix your Touch ID not working on your iPhone. So there are several troubleshooting steps that you can take to resolve the issue. So here's the guide to help you to fix it. First step is that you have to navigate to your setting on your iPhone. Once you are on your setting on your iPhone, you have to scroll down and just go for the Touch ID and or Face ID and passcode here. Once you are here, you have to enter your passcode. Make sure that iPhone unlock, iTunes and Apple Store and any other app or option you want to use with Touch ID are turned on. So here you can see that the all ID is turned on. So I have the Face ID, not Touch ID. So here you can see that all apps are turned on. Also, you can clean your Face ID sensor. So sometime the camera might sometimes the camera might have the dot well or moisturize. You can gently clean it. Also, you can re-register your Face ID and you can just go and reset your Face ID and just go for the OK option. And after that, you have to set up an alternate appearance and just go for the get started. And you have to position your face within the frame. So from this process, you can easily fix your issue. So if none of this step work, you can simply restart your device, which can fix the minor glitches. You have to press and hold the power up. You have to press and hold your power button and the volume up button at the same time, and you will see the option to slide to power up. And you can turn it back after a few seconds. Also, you can navigate to your setting and go for your general option and look for the update available. If there is any update available, then you have to just go for the update now option and download the latest version of your iOS. Also, you can reset all these settings if nothing works. So just go for the general option, scroll down, go for the transfer or reset phone and tap on the reset all setting. So this will reset your system setting like Wi-Fi password and wallpaper, but won't delete any of your data. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.